Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're unveiling the ultimate gift for women, the Love Crate County Sunflower Gifts, a 15-piece custom gift box designed to bring joy and sunshine to any occasion. Imagine gifting a burst of happiness with this curated collection, featuring a snuggly 40 by 60-inch fleece blanket, sunflower fuzzy socks, a hair scrunchie, and 2 rope bracelets adorned with sunflower pendants. For the woman who loves to lounge and live, we've included a lanyard keychain, a 16-ounce glass tumbler with a bamboo lid and glass straw, a cute sunflower koozie, and a stunning sunflower pop-up card with a greeting card. Pamper her with bathroom essentials like a 100 grams lavender bath bomb, honey-scented natural soap, a cosmetic mirror with magnification, a cosmetic bag, and a square lavender soy wax candle with a 30-hour burn time. Each item is uniquely crafted with custom artwork, ensuring that this isn't just another gift box but a memorable experience filled with popular items and fun originals. Plus, the Love Crate arrives shrink-wrapped for easy shipping, making it a gift-ready package that shows you've thought of everything. So, whether it's for a birthday, a get-well-soon wish, or just because, this sunshine in a box is the perfect way to say, "You are my sunshine." Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.